If you are a manager, stop spoon feeding people, stop answering lazy questions, and stop being the superhero.
Well, Karin, what should managers do instead?
It is not about controlling people, it is about cultivating the behavior that you would like to see. And this is actually easier than you think.
Many employees go to work and hear way too often from their managers. You never finish your projects on time. You're always making the same mistake. You're never showing up at work on time. What kind of impact do you think these kind of statements have on the team members?
Yeah, if people get criticized all the time about what they do wrong, their self-worth gets down, and the self-worth is actually in direct correlation with the net worth of the company. So if people don't believe in themselves, it has a negative effect, and chances are they will make even more mistakes. I would like to share a concept from NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. And this concept is people are not their behavior. You gotta accept people for who they are and take them with whatever personality they come with and help them improve upon their behavior. And you will see this has such a tremendous impact on the results.
So a quick summary, people are not their behavior. Accept them for who they are and help them to get better. Now this was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.